So, you want to wear your hair out, but you just want something a little extra. Well, grab a bundle and let's make this happen. Welcome to my little corner of the world, which I call Lady Rette. My name is Rette Macaulay. So let's start off with some things that you will need for this high ponytail with bundles look. First of all, I have here this bundle. It's uncut. I had a human hair like bundle, which was a color 1, and I mixed it with a natural colored human hair, which was a little lighter, and this is the color I ended up with. You also need an ample amount of bobby pins. These I got a long time ago. So this is what you're going to use to tie your hair. You're going to need a hairband that's either really thin or really small, because I noticed that if you use a hairband like this blue one over here, it's a bit too thick and you end up with like the bump, and which is kind of a problem. This is kind of optional, but you can get like a decorative kind of scrunchy. So first I'm gonna start by just combing my hair up in the direction that I want ponytail to go. At this point, now is a good time to decide if you want a part or not. Now I'm feeling like I want a fringe, so I'm gonna take my rat tail comb. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair because I so you want to take out your fringe and kind of lay it down, see if it makes sense how it's lying. Sometimes you might need to grab a little more hair on the side. So that's kind of what I'm going for. Okay, so now I'm just gonna section off my fringe. Now that you've got your fringe out of the way, just gonna comb all of my hair going up and start shaping where you want that ponytail to be. Whether you want it high like this, whether you want it a bit low, or whether you want it in the middle of your head. This is the part where you decide. Otherwise there's no going back. Now I'm not really gonna gel down my hair because it's already pretty silky and flat. I recommend using some hair gel just on the top layer if your hair's got a bit of texture. Now you're going to take that thin or small hairband and just tie, fold it in just a little bit. Then whatever is left, I just wrap it around and tuck it into the hairband. Now what you want to do is hold it together. Take a wide tooth comb and just gently, I'm going to open it once and hold it at the top so that you don't get wefts going in the middle, and just comb through very, very gently. Now you're going to grab a bobby pin. Make sure that you put it through all of the wefts at the end until you end up with this. The bobby pin literally holding all of the wefts. And with that same bobby pin, just pin it through the base of my ponytail. Once it's in, now I can just wrap the ponytail, wrap the wefts around. And it's easier to do this if you kind of toss it in front. I'm going to take another bobby pin and pin that end piece. Now to further secure this, you need to grab a piece just underneath, kind of a decent size. Just wrap that piece around. Take you there, back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? And then take a third bobby pin and just pin down that piece. Now for that piece that's sticking out, I'm going to take some got-to-be glue. I could also just take another bobby pin and just pin it in. Okay, now we can move on and deal with this front piece. Just going to take the fringe. And for my edges, I'm using the got-to-be glue, ultra glued. Take you there. Wow, I'm amazed. I almost never do my baby hairs like this, even on my wigs. Like, wow. Just gonna take some hairspray. The reason why I'm not using gel all over the rest of my hair is because it makes it dirty so quickly. Like, I can't stand that gel all over the place. Now as I'm going along, I'm just adding some more bobby pins wherever I feel like sticking out a lot. Okay, it's good to go like this, but I'm gonna throw in my cute little scrunchy.
For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it easy as well as helpful. And comment down below, what is your favorite summer hairstyle? So for summer, I prefer hairstyles like this that are kind of quick and easy, and hairstyles that don't really touch your neck too much. And I also like doing braids as well. So now that you've got your ponytail, go out there, whip it in the face of someone you don't like and be like, yeah, I'm here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. It would mean so much to me. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy